Alright, hello big mans, welcome back in it. We're looking at prime factors in that today. Okay, question 1, yeah. Find the highest common factor of 84 and 105. Yeah, so when you see factor, think of like a factor tree straight away. That's the first mistake I used to make, is not think of that. Now, factor tree looks like this, yeah. You put 84, you put a line to the side, yeah, you put 2 because you're dividing it by 2. Now you put 42 because that's the half, because like, you know, if you multiply these two together you get this, yeah. And then you keep going, 2, you get, what do you get? You get 21. Now after this you can't divide this by 2, because like, you know, that's gonna give you like a decimal, yeah. So what you do is you put 3. Now you see I'm not going 7 because we have to like progress up. It doesn't really matter, but like it's always better to like keep it smaller. So what she said. Anyways, yeah, 7. Now you got these, you can even circle it. Honestly, I don't know why, but my teachers used to say like, you got that, you circle it, yeah. Okay, now you do the same for 105, yeah. You got 105 there. Now, as you can see, you cannot divide this by 2 because that will give you 52.5. That's a decimal. So what you do is you can check if it's divisible by 3. And what I've learned is that if like the numbers, so like 1 plus 0 plus 5, they add up to 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, that means this is going to be divisible by 3. Now we know that 99, yeah, that's 33, so we can just add up a bit. It's going to be, let me see, what's it gonna be? It's gonna be 35. Yeah, so you put 3, 35. Now 35 isn't divisible by 3, yeah, because, you know, because like 36 is divisible by 3. So now what you can do, it's not gonna be divisible by 4, is it? Now big man, so what you do is you divide it by 5. Now you got 5. Next one, what's the next one gonna be? It's gonna be 7, because 5 times 7 is 35, yeah. Now after this you're gonna circle it again, because you're not gonna like divide 7, because like it's a prime number, yeah. So now you look back to the question. It says find the highest common factor, HCF, of these two. These are common factors, 3 and 7, and what's higher up in the scale, yeah, is 7 in it. So 7, it's 7. That's the highest common factor. You can write it like this if you want, and like circle it so then like the examiner knows that you got the answer is 7, yeah. Find the highest common factor of 90 and 48. So we're gonna do the exact same. I'm gonna go through it with you guys. 48, yeah, what you do 2, so that's 24. 2 again, that's 12, innit? You can go 2 again, that's going to be 6, and guess what, you can do 2 again. You do that and then now you're left with 3. That's a prime number, so you cannot go any further. You can circle it so you know that these are the things, yeah. Now what's the next number? 90. You can do it any order. I just started with 48, you know, it doesn't matter. Now 90. As you can see, I didn't go lowest here. I could have used 3 here, couldn't I? Because the numbers add up to 9. But like 5 is easier to divide this, for me at least. It might not be for you, yeah. But it doesn't matter because you're still going to get the same answers. So you can, I've already circled that. Highest common factor again, innit? So let's see. 5, there's no 5 here. 2, there are 2s, but that's, you know, there are higher numbers. 3, yeah, in it, there's a 3 there, there's a 3 there. What's the highest common factor here? It's 3, man. Go and circle it for the examiner. Oh yeah, let me get them marks in it. So you showed your working, you got the answer, that's 2 marks. Okay, question 3a. Now you do this, write 56 as a product of its prime factors. You write down 56 in it, you write down 56, you do the same. Prime, 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 and prime. Now what you can do is to write 56, this number, as a product of its prime factors, you can write it down as 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Yeah, because 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, third 2, and then a 7. But you can also simplify this, yeah? You can see that there are 3 2's. So you write 2 to the power of 3 times 7 in it. That's 56 as a product of its prime factors, yeah? Now you showed your working out. You got the right answer, you get them ticks in it. Find the lowest common multiple of 56 and 42. Now bear with me, man. It's asking to find the lowest common multiple. We're looking at LCM now of 56 and 42. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down here to work out. Yeah, so 56 and 42, remember those numbers. 56, 42. Now, what people usually do is they multiply these two numbers. Now, that will always give you a common multiple, but it's not going to be the lowest like it's asking. We need the lowest, yeah? Like, for example, people usually have, like, let's say 6 and 10, yeah? If you multiply it together, you're going to get 60. That's a common multiple, because if you go down, you get 12, 18, you get 24, you get 30. And you can, if you keep going down, you're going to get 60, because 6 times 10 is 60. Here, if you do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, you're going to get 60. Yeah, that's a common multiple, but it's not the lowest. The lowest is actually here, 30. So don't do that. Don't multiply it together, yeah? That's going to be 112. After that, you add on another one. That's going to be 168. There, yeah, 168. Now if you add on another one, it's going to be 224. Yeah, because quick maths in it, 84. Now if you add another one, it's going to be 126. That's still not common, is it? Yeah, so if you add another one, that's going to be 168. There you go, you found it. You got the common multiple. The lowest common multiple of both of these is 168. Now another way of doing this, yeah, is for like, it's better for like bigger numbers, in it. So yeah, let me show you how to do it. But like, yeah, like if you have bigger numbers, it's going to be easier this way. So you can do this 2 ways, the one I just showed you and the one I'm about to show you. Yeah, so bear with me. Now you're going to do the factor thingies for this. Now for this, I'm going to use a different method, not a factor tree. I'm going to do the factor chimney or whatever it's called, in it, where you go like this, and then you put 2 here, you divide this by 2, that's going to give you 25 plus 3, that's 28. You do another 2, it's going to be 14, you go 2, it's going to be 7. So these are the prime factors, yeah? So it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, that's for 56. Now for 42, you go 2, 21, you go 3, 7. Yeah, now these are the prime factors. So you got these numbers, yeah? Now what you can do is you can like write it under this. You put 2 times 3 times, I'm gonna put it here, 7. Now because you see it's got 2 on both of these, you can cross this out. Now it's not the same here, it's not 2 and 2, it's 2 and 3. So you keep both of these, you actually circle them. And now it's because you like, so you know that like you're gonna be using these numbers, yeah? Now there's another 2, but you're not gonna cross it out because there's no another 2 here, so you actually like circle this as well. Now you see there are 7s in both of them here, so you're gonna cross one out, you're gonna circle the other one. It doesn't matter which one you cross out, yeah? Now after you got this, you're gonna write down 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 7. Now you put this into your trusty calculator, yeah? So 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 7 will give you 168. 168, just like we've done before. but like with bigger numbers, yeah, this is like, you know, a quicker version. Like you can't mess it up if you're smart, at least, yeah. Now you got 168. That's the lowest common multiple of both of these. You pop it here under the question, 168. Yeah, you showed your working, whichever method you choose to do. Yeah, you get the tick, you get full marks. As you can see, there are no more questions. We have completed this. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 8 out of 8 marks. We did get under 10 minutes probably, so we did it right. Yeah, that's 100% obviously, but that doesn't matter. I hope you're ready for your exam. If this helped, pop a like, make sure to share, man, so he can, like, you know, share his teachings across like the globe. Yeah, nah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out, man.